Here's what you should do with the tech you unwrapped this year. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and the holidays are a fun time to gift and open presents, especially when you get a shiny new electronic. But do you know how to properly defend these new devices against the latest cyber attacks? Here are my top 5 tips. First, if you've got a new TV, I'm sure you're already watching Netflix or your favorite sports team on a bigger screen. But if you did get a new smart television, be sure to tweak the privacy settings so that your TV isn't collecting data on you. These newer TVs have what's called automatic content recognition, or ACR, and I recommend that you turn this and any other advertisement settings completely off. If you tap the settings button on your remote or home screen, you can usually adjust the ACR specifics under privacy. Next, if you got a new computer, especially a new laptop or a new tablet or smartphone, you're going to want to make sure that you set the features so that you can find it if it's ever lost or stolen. Apple products have an app called, you've probably heard of it, Find My. And you can use Google's Find My Phone feature if you have an Android. This app will allow you to track your device and, if possible, turn off or even wipe it remotely. Tip number 3, you'll also want to prep any and all of these new devices in case you fall victim to a hacker or a scammer. I recommend installing antivirus protection on any device, whether it be an Apple or Android, phone, tablet, computer, you name it. My top recommendations for the year are over at cyberguy.com. Just search Antivirus. Next, check out any cool accessories to go along with your new gadgets. There are loads of fancy chargers, including wireless all-in-one charging pads so you can boost your phone and watch batteries at the same time. Finally, consider selling or donating your old tech that is being replaced by this new gift you just received. Your old iPhone or computer may be worth a few bucks, and if it's not, well, then you can at least recycle it. Most cell phones contain hazardous materials, so avoid throwing them away or letting them sit in your drawer when you could potentially be making some money with them. Head to cyberguy.com for all my tips on what to do with your new and old devices, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.